How to install a two-handle wall mount faucet. The tools recommended. Part 1. Determine the height of your wall mount faucet. Set up some bracing so that the back of the faucet body is between 2 and 5/16 to 2 and 7/16 inches from the front of your final finished wall. Secure the body of the faucet to the bracing. Double check to make sure that the faucet is leveled. Part 2. Double check that all valves are in the off position. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the body of the faucet. We recommend adding Teflon tape to all threaded connection points. In our demonstration, we sweated half-inch copper pipes to copper fittings. Then the copper fittings are connected to the faucet's union adapters. After attachment, turn on the water to test for any leaks. The most common places for potential leaks are at connection points such as between the faucet body and supply lines. Part 3. Finish the wall of the faucet and attach the trim pieces of the faucet. Create 1.25-inch diameter holes for the faucet's handles and spout. Tighten the faucet spout enough so that the spout is pointing down at the 6 o'clock position. Do not over-tighten the spout or set screws. And finally, remove the aerator and run the water for approximately 1 minute. Flush out any debris that may have gotten caught in the plumbing. Put the aerator back on and your faucet is ready to go.